All right, well, as you can see, we do still have our winter storm alerts. Just so you know, a winter weather advisory, it's not hard to tell. We've got it going on. We talk about it all day for almost the entire area with a winter storm warning for the areas in pink that goes until 6 p.m. Here's why. Let's take a look at this radar. It changes drastically every few minutes. This heavy rain, it's almost as soon as it crosses the state line, it seems like it's into heavy sleet right now, it looks like, especially in Hardeman and McNairy counties. So really heavy snow to the north in Crockett County and moving a little bit to Haywood. So otherwise lighter snow in Arkansas and West Tennessee, but you can see this is just changing. And as we continue to see this happening, a lot of sleet right now going on in Crittenden County. We know that these roads are getting colder. We know that these bridges and overpasses are going to start getting slick. So please, again, stay off the roads if you can. Already can see that I have at least 4 accidents. One more has just popped up. So here's an hour by hour. This is not the Bible. This is it's a guide. It's not the gospel. Just to give you an idea, mostly we're going to see snow and sleet to the north, mostly to the south, freezing rain and sleet. So you're going to get that icing and not the fun, delicious kind to the south. And again, just a little bit more snow as to the north, but you can see that's pretty much through much of the morning, 10 o'clock. But look at these numbers. We're staying well below freezing all throughout the day. Now, as we head into just after lunch, it all clears out, it looks like, but then all the clouds are taken with it. And as it does, look at our numbers. Oh, it hurts me. Watch this. It's going to hit 11. Oh, well, it did a second. There you go. Oh, that's not even with wind chill. So anything that falls today is going to refreeze overnight. One thing that may help us is we have very gusty winds today that could help dry out some of it, but go ahead and expect it to be pretty slick tomorrow. As far as rainfall and snowfall totals, you can see right now we're looking at up to 2 to 3 inches in some of these areas in extreme northwest counties. Memphis, don't get too excited because that's going to be a mix of not only snow but also sleet, because when you see these numbers aren't changing, you can just see where the sleet is really going to accumulate. So that's going to be more ice and then freezing rain, same thing. I know the numbers are a little wonky, but just so you can see where the freezing rain is going to cause that light icing as well. So that's what we have to deal with. So again, definitely want to be careful. Our highs today, 31 in Memphis, almost everyone below freezing or right at it. If you live to the south, just slightly above it. Won't be enough to really help you though, unfortunately, because here are overnight lows. 13, 12, 17. Oh, it just hurts me because you know it's going to be even colder with wind chill. And so again, anything else that we have will freeze back over. So looking at your 7-day forecast, 30 today, 31 tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised if we see schools go virtual again tomorrow as we head into the weekend though. Why not jump 30 degrees? Take your vitamin C because we're going to see near 60 degrees with about a 100% chance of rain and storms. The good news is right now it doesn't look severe. Then we drop again and it's just back to normal. Finally, boring weather on Wednesday and I can't wait. Let's talk about what's going on the roadways. I do again have one new accident to tell you about, but I'll have to get info on that. Right now, again, anything green is wet, just with rain. Pink is going to be ice. We had a little snow to the north. This one I'm going to get info on, but we do have 240 westbound at Airways, Mallory at Riverport, and James Mill Road near I-55. And keeping an eye on our road temperatures right now. Most of those above freezing, but again, it's the bridges and overpasses that are the biggest concern that we have to keep an eye on, and we will do that for you right here on ABC 24 News.
Nick Cannon.